Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. Next question. We are given the area in square units of the region XY such that y squared is greater than equal to 2x and x squared plus y squared less than equal to 4x. I'll just write that as x squared plus y squared minus 4x less than equal to 0. Or I can even write this as x minus 2 whole squared plus y squared less than equal to 2 squared, right, by adding 4 on each side, and y squared is greater than equal to 2x. These are the two conditions. So the first one, y square is equal to 2x, is just a parabola like this. I apologize, my drawings might not be that great. So this is the parabola. This is just the origin, it touches the origin. And this is a circle with center at 2, 0 and radius of 2 units. So this circle will be something like this. And we want the interior of this circle because that's when x minus 2 whole squared by y squared is less than equal to 2 squared. But we also want the exterior of the parabola because within the interior of the parabola y squared is less than equal to 2x. So the intersection of the exterior of the parabola and interior of the circle are these two regions. This is the first region and this will be the second region. I'll just draw a smaller figure also, so I hope it will be clearer. This would be the parabola and this would be the circle, and this is the region we want, which is in the interior of the circle and the exterior of the parabola. But also we are given x and y is greater than equal to 0, so we just want it in the first quadrant, not the fourth quadrant. So this is the region we want, which is in the first quadrant, it is in the exterior of the parabola and in the interior of the circle, and we want to find out that area, right? So let's try to do that. I'll just try to draw this figure a little bit neatly one more time. And the other is something like this. That's as good as it will get. So this is y squared is equal to 2x. This is x minus 2 whole squared plus y squared is equal to 4. We need the intersection of these 2 points, right? So we can just put x minus 2 whole squared plus y squared, which is 2x, is equal to 4. X squared minus 4x plus 2x or minus 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or 2. X is equal to 0 we know is this point, right, which gives us y is equal to 0 as well, and x is equal to 2 gives us y is equal to 2, so 2, 2. That means this line is perpendicular because the x coordinate of this and the center is the same, and we need this region. Now the total region in the interior of the circle is quite easy, that is 1/4 of the area of the circle. So 1 by 4 into pi r squared, pi into 2 squared, which is pi. So the total interior is pi minus, now we need the exterior of the parabola. So what we'll do is we'll subtract this region, interior of the parabola. So minus integral from 0 to 2 of y dx. We'll solve this in a minute, but this is basically the answer because this total area is 1/4 of pi r squared, and this area will be the integral of y dx. The difference between them, the remaining part, will be what is in the interior of the circle but the exterior of the parabola simultaneously. And now this is quite easy to calculate. This will be pi minus integral 0 to 2. Y square is 2x, so y is root of 2x dx, which is pi minus root 2 times x to the power 1 by 2 gives me x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So into 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2, which is 2 to the power 3 by 2. So this is 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 to the power 3 by 2 and 1 is 5 by 2 and half is 6 by 2 or 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8. So this gives me the answer as pi minus 8 by 3, which means the answer is option 2. This total area was pi and the area in the interior was 8 by 3. The difference between them will be the region we want. This completes the solutions. Thank you.